Here is a beautiful cloud photograph by C. Dustin that I found at unsplash.com, which I then photoshopped out of its background and made almost entirely transparent. Now here I am in ArcGIS Pro with a 3D scene. I'll give it a cool, dramatic perspective and a generous vertical exaggeration. Here's a world cities layer, which I'll drag into the 3D layers so they're nestled within the actual geography. I'll open the symbology panel. Instead of a shape marker, I'll choose a picture marker. I'll set its quality to picture, and I'll navigate to my cloud. You won't see it here very easily because it's nearly transparent. Its size, I'll go to the Vary Symbology by Attribute tab and make random. Looks pretty fun. Also, you can play with the layer's elevation to boost it off of the surface or nestle it into the ground.